Okay, so we're back to this machine. Has nothing to do with this machine, this tractor. But that thing, show you what we're getting into. You kind of seen the video before when we had ordered parts. Alamo is probably one of the slowest parts getters out there, but we got parts. I'll show you what we got going on. So these guys here are troublemakers. They like to go out. For what reason? Even Alamo doesn't really know. But, so this time we had the dipper go out. We replaced the dipper. One before that was our lift. And this one here's the swing. This one, and this one all are the same. This is just an older version from back in the day. Now we're starting to replace these. This guy hasn't failed yet. Hang on. Has not failed yet. And then you got these two are the same. If you put one of these in position for one of these, a lot of weird stuff happens. Found that out. All there is these. So they're basically, all they are is they're pilot modules. They control pilot module or oil to send this piston back and forth, or spool. So, and to top it off, to make things even better, they're ground. So that it applies a ground to it. It has constant power, but it applies ground to which way it needs to move that spool inside. So, hopefully that helps anybody. But these can be a pain in the butt. Here's what they look like when they're out. These little guys here. It's got O-rings, the O-rings stuck on there, and they're all sitting in the bottom. But that's the little culprit. And this thing's got a blinky light right there. Even Alamo doesn't even know what the frick those blinky lights mean. Sometimes they're solid, sometimes they're blinking. A lot of the ones that are, there could be all of them could be working, but there would be like 2 of them that are blinking, and one of them's, or then the rest of them are all solid color. Don't know. We're gonna get this mess cleaned up, and then tested it. We tested it once, but we're gonna retest it, make sure everything's good. We'll then snug our cool connectors down, and this is what I use. It's snap-on. Goes into that screwdriver. This is all the torque you need. Get it down. Get it snug with just your fingers. That's all it needs. Anything more causes issues. So we'll get into that. Donnie, like I said, I know you're watching. I'll show you here. Wrote the part number on boxes for you in there. So that, and then hopefully this helps somebody else out who are working on these Alamos as well. Your 005 is for your dipper, lift, and swing function. And then your 4004 is for your door and tilt. And when I'm saying 40. So there's 4005, and then you just delete that 5 and put a 4 there, and then you have the other one. So hopefully I help somebody out. And there you have it, guys. Our Samurai 22 is ready to rock and roll. He's got a little bit more cleaning here on the front side to do, and it's off and rocking. So let's get that done, get that out of here, get back on the road, get to the next call.